I'm Ruhaan and a very warm welcome to all of you. Friends, you know what is the most important asset of one's life? Yes, you are right, it is family. No one can ever replace the unconditional love, comfort and support that your family offers to you. Today, in this video, I am going to share with you my views on the topic joint versus nuclear family. The basic question is whether nuclear family is better or joint family. Joint family has always been a strong foundation of society where people lived harmoniously among fights, disagreements, cheer and laughter. It has also been believed that those raised in a joint family have a greater sense of belongingness and bonding than those raised in a nuclear family. Earlier, there used to be compatibility. The head of the family used to frame the vision of the whole family members and nobody questions him. But nowadays, joint families have fragmented into nuclear families as everybody have individualistic approach. Gone are the days when evening used to be the time for family reunion, when all the family members sit together in front of the television to watch Ruhaan. At times, issues arises with so many different temperaments and personalities living under one roof. So half of the time goes off in a family doing panchayat. Friends, you know what my opinion is? I think all the family members can also be close enough while living under independent roofs and can meet each other once or twice in a week as per their choice. At the end, I just want to conclude that staying away or close, the spirit of togetherness in a family should remain alive forever. Thank you so much friends for watching my video and make sure if you like it then please subscribe, like and share. Take care, we will meet soon.